Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is India's first organic fisheries cluster. Why in news? Union Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Minister recently launched India's first organic fisheries cluster in Soreng district, Sikkim, under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana initiative. About organic fisheries cluster. India's first organic fisheries cluster promotes eco-friendly aquaculture in line with Sikkim's organic farming. It adopts ecological fish farming, avoiding harmful chemicals to ensure sustainable production and minimal environmental damage, focusing on species like Amur carp. NABARD will support the initiative with infrastructure, capacity building and fisheries-based farmer-producer organizations. PMMSY's cluster-based model enhances competitiveness, creates economies of scale and strengthens fisheries value chain across India. This initiative addresses region-specific needs in areas like freshwater aquaculture, brackish water fisheries, ornamental fisheries and organic fisheries, fostering livelihoods and sustainable development. Why is the northeastern region prioritized? The northeastern region is prioritized as a key area for fisheries development. The region's freshwater resources and aquatic biodiversity support efforts to increase inland fish production and boost economic development. Investments of Rs 2,114 crore have been made in the northeastern region through initiatives such as the PMMSY, the Fisheries and Aquaculture Infrastructure Development Fund and the Blue Revolution Scheme. About Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, implemented by the Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. It aims to achieve a blue revolution through sustainable fisheries development in India with a Rs 20,050 crore investment. PMMSY is being implemented in all the states and union territories for a period of 5 years from fiscal year 2020-21 to fiscal year 2024-25. PMMSY addresses critical gaps in the fisheries value chain, focusing on production, productivity, quality and modernizing post-harvest infrastructure and marketing. It also enhances traceability, strengthens fisheries management and promotes socio-economic welfare for fisheries and farmers. The initiative targets holistic development of the fisheries sector while ensuring responsible and sustainable practices. In order to facilitate access to institutional credit, fishermen are provided with insurance coverage, financial assistance and a facility of Kisan Credit Card as well. Conclusion. These steps are part of India's broader strategy to sustain its position as the world's second largest fish producer and a major contributor to global aquaculture and shrimp export. These efforts have positioned the fisheries sector as an integral part of the country's economy and a contributor to its blue economy vision. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about first organic fish cluster. India's first organic fisheries cluster recently launched in Kerala. This initiative was launched by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.